So for our next question from Princess, sabi niya, hello Miss Kim, quick question po about Wes. How did you process for your TOR in the Philippines to send it to Wes for credential evaluation? So I'll answer that question first. So what I did was I created an account in Wes, make sure it's Wes Canada. And then after you are going to create an account, you're going to fill out your details there about your education and everything. And then after that, you need to pay. And then it will generate a reference number. So pag meron ka na ng reference number, pwede ka nang pumunta sa school niyo. At pagkatapos ay kumuha kayo ng TOR at sabihin niyo na this is for Wes. So yung school yung magsisend sa TOR sa Wes gamit yung reference number na ibibigay nyo. Kasi doon matitrace ng Wes na sa inyo yung TOR na sinend ng school. Okay. Next, and for IELTS, are there establishments here in the US that is offering that test? Thank you po. Well, yes. Sa Florida, meron. Isa lang yung alam ko. Nasa Fort Lauderdale ata. But you can search it in the website, IELTS. And then, i-filter mo yung country, United States, and then, mag-appear yung kung saan yung mga IELTS na facilities in that state. So, that's it. Thank you.